Hello everybody and welcome back to another interesting food challenge. So today guys, we'll be doing spicy Indomie challenge. Oh my god, you don't want to test this Indomie, so spicy. But you know what guys, now we day here. So as we all know, the last time we did the jollof rice challenge, they were complaining, you did not bring gift for the winner. Why didn't you bring gift for the winner? And guys, you know what I did? I ordered a phone, Samsung A71. I said no, let's do something big today, you know. So luckily for me, the phone came a day before the challenge. I was like, oh, so the guests were so happy. As you can see, this is the phone. Yeah, so the winner goes home with this phone. Yeah, see, they are so happy when they saw the phone. They say, Rancy, now you be the girl, Biko, no. So the thing is, when there is a winner, there is always a loser. Okay, so the loser, the last time I drank raw egg because I lose. So now today's own, the loser is going to eat this fresh pepper. This fresh pepper, only God knows if it's hot or not, but let's just keep our fingers crossed. And I hope I'm not the loser for today, because all the time I lose. You know, I'm manageable. These people, they eat too much. But anyways guys, you just sit back, relax, and enjoy this spicy Indomie food challenge with us. Thank you very much. So
What's that?
yeah, I feel use hand, would that?
Use leg. Okay.
Are you not ashamed? Look at yourself. God, that me.
It's so soft.
Jesus. Oh, this is what I started again, no.
One minute.
Food challenge is not for me. No. Nine. I beg. The loser will drink lemon. Lemon. Bring lemon there. The loser will drink lemon. Nobody can answer me. I cannot kill myself. Jesus.
You're very cute.
Guys. See, my plate is still full. No, this challenge is not for me. I give up. No. 9. Jesus. Oh, I fear no now. Jeez. Hi, I'm going to eat pepper again today. Let me just wait for the winner. to go with this phone. Because already I know. I know. Mama Derrick won. Mama Testimony won. Finish your plate. You never finish.
No.
Sit down. Finish it. Guys, I'm doing referee because I lose already. Mama Testimony won. Jesus. That's your finish. You finish right in your mouth. Show the camera. Jesus. I'm a babu. These people are babu. They live in the zoo. No.
I've been on before they did. Because of food.
Jesus.
Because of food. You never finish your own before you dey chat.
Guys.
Just they chop the pepper. No need. They chop the rest.
No need. I will just take my time and eat my food.
No. Before you take your time, where is the pepper? They make water. Well, yeah, done.
It was another huge mistake. Doing food challenge with these two consumers.
Now, even before you two speak, now you so.
You people are consumers. Honestly, forget that thing.
You very good. We're not wild.
Jesus.
You don't say anything here.
Wahala.
Me, you chop pepper. I'm over.
Second, that's why I go with pepper.
But you carry pepper, me you eat, madam.
So guys, it's obvious. I tell when I say this.
Everybody this.
In my previous video, I told you guys before that her nickname is Madam Consumer. She eats a lot. Sorry, they swallow Indomie. Jesus. My 3 eggs are still here.
Jesus.
I want to eat this pepper.
Now that they eat now. Now me. I'm a funny. Yes, you get some, okay?
Guys, it's obvious now. The last time I drank egg. Today I'm eating fresh pepper. Wahala.
Eat and
What am I good at? Is this swallow? I'm good at swallow, I think.
I was born, I never finished 3 Indomie. Today I finished 4.
4 Indomie. Then this babe swallow like say no man's business. I think I'm good at swallow. So guys, it has happened again.
It has happened. You have to take her.
I drank egg the other day. Now I'm putting fresh pepper.
No, today we drank pepper.
If there is people where your boy has so I think one of them.
Am I not a winner, guys? I'm a winner.
Daniela go marry me. Na person want you pepper soup.
It's okay. It's okay.
So you say it's rich in the body.
I can eat it with my Indomie.
Nine. Which one you eat it with your
Easy.
Indomie?
9. You want to swallow somebody.
Yes, the other form they eat pepper.
Everything what they found they eat.
It's been one for me.
Is this sweet?
It's not sweet.
Well, it's pepperish.
Oh, thank God. It's not pepperish. Thank heaven.
Finish everything.
Guys, it's like I'm eating paprika. What God cannot do does not exist.
Yes,
I say not that that was not give our well.
No sweet, not the
What God cannot do does not exist.
Yes, so
My enemies have been put to shame.
finish everything.
God don't shame my enemies.
That's good. For you made.
Now now you carry it.
Okay, nothing.
Shit like 3 days.
Okay.
Why you can't packing Indomie for that?
Without your
Indeed, what God cannot do does not exist. God stomp fresh pepper into paprika.
Yes, sir.
So you go the one with your hand, use and scratch your eye. Make God still turn out to paprika. Okay.
I'm not saying it now.
Never see
Okay.
Now paprika.
Mama. Yeah.
Paprika.
Not that money to her. She don't wait for
What's the phone?
the phone.
No.
Last time na raw egg. Not the even pepper again.
No, but it's really hot. I can feel it now.
Because it's not hot the way we want it.
It's very warm. Mama maybe they put water for them. I say it to say they put water. And block on top of your head. I know you want on the chop.
Slow and steady.
I'll be like boy.
Slow and steady. Finish that for Indomie. Slow and steady.
The game is over now.
Yes,
I'll take my time.
At the end of now, 2 days that they eat for us before. Was later finish for Indomie.
Oh, so time to present the fun to the winner. To the winner.
For your mind.
No, before no.
What do you think is inside?
I don't know, but open it.
So guys, on behalf of Francie Eagles TV and my humble subscribers, we therefore present this phone to the winner. Brand new phone, Samsung A71. So this is for you as a
So not be me winner, be.
Thank you.
Next time, no carry second. Next time, wait till you
next time
open.
we'll see about that.
What you say me I do?
Open am.
Okay. So if they hit the left, they comment from the opener.
The thing is hot. I can feel it now.
Yeah. Tap of the
No, not too much. Una dey eat. No.
You fear?
I fear, no fear.
Wow.
Hey! Congrats!
Let me see. Wow.
Everything is inside
Wow,
the charger.
very nice. Look at, wow, so beautiful.
Hey!
Wow.
So guys, so you see, it's new. When Rancy says something, she does it, and that's on period.
Wow,
that's on period.
Yes.
So guys, we've come to the end of today's show. So please, if you've not subscribed to Rancy Eagles TV, please do so. And if you want to be a partaker of this new brand phone, please just subscribe, like my videos, share at all time, and trust me, we'll send you one of this beautiful phone. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and bye.
Bye.